How do animals help each other? Some animal species are very social and show a high level of organization and teamwork to survive in their environment. From ants to some other big animals, such organization may translate into gathering and sharing food together, hunting together, grooming each other, and protecting one another. For example, 1. Male penguins incubate the egg while the female hunts for 4 months. After the hatching of the egg, while waiting for the mother to bring food, fish, for the chick, the father feeds the chick a high-protein milk produced by a gland in its throat. When the mother comes back, she takes over and feeds the chick the fish she kept undigested in her stomach thanks to an enzyme that keeps them fresh as on the first day they were swallowed. The father, that hasn't eaten for 4 months, now embark on a journey to find food. It engages in that activity for about 2 months. Then, it goes back to its family. Penguins live in colony. Therefore, when both mother and father go hunting, they leave their chicks with the rest of the group with a few adults to assure protection. Mother and father return to the colony to feed their chicks one last time. After 5 months, the chicks are now ready to fend for themselves. 2. In chimpanzees, for example, 2 or more lower-ranking males can form a coalition to overtake the dominant male in the group. 3. Male dolphins may form a coalition in order to be able to mate with a female that can successfully evade sexual approaches by one male but not by 2 males. 4. It's the male seahorse who bears the baby seahorses. The male seahorse is equipped with a pouch on the ventral, or front-facing, side of the tail. When mating, the female seahorse deposits up to 1,500 eggs in the male's pouch. The male carries the eggs for 9 to 45 days until the seahorses emerge fully developed, but very small. Animals are intelligent and sensitive beings. They each have their own unique personality. They have the capacity to feel pain, suffering, empathy, happiness and joy. A man finds a goose that was shaking with cold stuck to a pole in Montana. As he got closer he realized, wrapped up in her wings, was a tiny puppy she was shielding from the freezing temperatures. Lanka Love. During a dangerous factory explosion that occurred in China, a monkey was recorded on the camera saving a puppy from the explosion site. He held the dog as he ran out of the factory. Cats that live together often groom each other. Grooming seems to be a social activity common to other species, too. Apes and monkeys groom each other not just to be helpful, but also to kiss up to the head honcho. When I was snorkeling in Maui, I saw some little fish cleaning the shell of a sea turtle. Little scum-suckers, I guess. There's been cats and dogs that have nursed orphaned offspring of animals from different species. A lot of animals depend on each other by safety in numbers. Think small fish, zebra, small monkeys, seals, etc. This is because a single individual is less likely to be picked off by predators, as there is likely to be an animal that is slower, injured, frail, etc. Others, like wolves, hyenas, work as a group to defend one another and keep each safe. They often have stronger animals who may do most of the defending, whilst young are hidden.